B. Past, present, and future. Practice exercises. In the last video, we studied the different forms of be: past, present, and future. In this video, you'll have a chance to practice what you learned. If you didn't study these different forms of be yet, go back and watch the first video. There's a link in the notes below. In this video, you'll see a series of sentences. You'll choose the correct answer to complete each sentence. For the first group of sentences, you will need to choose the correct conjugation of be. We will work with the past and the present tense, not the future tense. Are you ready? Here's our first sentence. The train blank always late. Am, is, or are. So this is in the present tense. So you have to choose am, is, or are to complete the sentence. And the answer is the train is always late, because the train is one thing. It's an it. So the train is always late. We use is with it. Claudia blank, my best friend. Am, is, or are. Again, this is in the present tense. The answer is Claudia is my best friend, because we use is when we have one person. This is in the past tense. I blank a college student last year. Was or were? The answer is I was a college student last year. We use was with I. This is in the present tense. You blank an Uber driver. Am, is, or are. And the correct answer is are. You are an Uber driver. Are because we use are with you. Next one. Ben and Axel blank at the concert last week. This is in the past tense. Was or were? Ben and Axel were at the concert last week. We use were with more than one person. So Ben and Axel were at the concert last week. My friends and I blank excited about the party. This is in the present tense. Am, is, or are. And the answer is my friends and I are excited about the party. Are because we're talking about more than one person. We use are with we, with they, and with you. Pablo blank a good soccer player many years ago. So this is in the past tense. Was or were? Was. Pablo was a good soccer player many years ago. We use was because was in the past tense is used for one person or one thing. Oh no, I blank late for work again. Am, is, are. This is in the present tense. Am. Oh no, I am late for work again. Am because we use am with I. The weather blank bad yesterday afternoon. This is in the past tense. Was or were? Was. The weather was bad yesterday afternoon. Was because weather is a thing, and it is one thing. So was. She blank happy with her grades last semester. Was or were? So this is in the past tense. She was happy with her grades last semester. Was. We use was with one person, such as she. Marco blank from Colombia. Am, is, or are. This is in the present tense. Marco is from Colombia. Marco is one person, so we use is. You blanked the best student in our class last year. This is in the past tense. So was or were. You were the best student in our class last year. We use were with you. For the next group of sentences, you need to choose the correct tense, either the past, present, or future. I blank the airport now. And the choices are am, was, and will be. So the conjugation is correct. You have to decide if this is am for the present, was for the past, or will be for the future. And there is a sign or a signal in the sentence to tell you which one it is. I am at the airport now. We use now with the present tense. There blank a fire at work yesterday. Is, was, will be. So are we in the present with is, the past with was, or the future with will be? And again, there is a sign or signal as to which tense to use. There was a fire at work yesterday. The past tense, because yesterday is a word that we use with the past tense. It is the day before today. It blank rainy tomorrow. Is, was, or will be. So is the present, was the past, will be is the future. It will be rainy tomorrow. Will be because tomorrow is the future. I blank very tired at the moment. Am, was, or will be. The correct answer is am. I am very tired at the moment. At the moment is another way to say now, so we use the present tense. The puppies blank funny earlier. Are, were, or will be. The puppies were funny earlier. Past tense, because earlier means before now, usually in the same day. My school project blank complete next week. Is, was, or will be. My school project will be complete next week. Future, because we use next to talk about a time in the future. So next week, next month. Okay, so the next means the following one in a series. So if I say next month, right now I'm recording this in January, next month would be February. We blank on vacation last month. Are, were, or will be. We were on vacation last month. Last month, it signals the past. Last plus a time signals the past. So again, I am recording this in January, so last month would be December. Okay, I could say last week, last year, last New Year's, last semester. I was a construction worker 20 years ago. This is in the past tense, was. When you see a time plus a go, that's a sign or signal that the sentence will be in the past tense. Frank blank currently working in New York. Is, was, will be. Frank is currently working in New York. Currently is another word for now, meaning at this moment. We blank married next June. Is, was, will be. We will be married next June. Again, next plus a time means the future, next June. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.